A short-throw projector is an ideal replacement for a traditional 70 to 85-inch big-screen smart TV, especially if you're looking for a projection size that's between 100 and 150 inches. That's because these projectors are designed to be positioned much closer to the screen than a traditional projector. We chose the laser-driven Epson EpiqVision Ultra LS 800 as our top pick for a consumer-oriented short-throw projector, because it's able to generate a 120-inch projection size in 4K resolution and with a super bright 4000 ANSI lumens brightness. And it can do this when positioned a mere 20.2 inches from the screen. This buyer's guide focuses on the best short-throw and ultra-short-throw projectors that are ideal for homes and home theater setups. To help you find the right model, we've listed the best ultra-short-throw projector 2024 and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you, and as always, you can check pricing for any of these products in the description below. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 6. Epson EpiqVision Ultra LS 800. The Epson EpiqVision Ultra LS 800 ultra-short-throw laser projector offers the right combination of features to make it a welcome addition to a home if you're looking to replace a traditional big-screen TV or create a home theater setup that your friends will be envious of. This projector uses a triple laser projection system to generate a sharp and bright picture. Out of all the projectors we looked at for this buyer's guide, this one offers the highest brightness level, 4000 ANSI lumens, so they'll work nicely in daylight or a darkened room, especially if it's paired with an ambient light rejecting ALR screen. You'll enjoy up to a 150-inch picture with a 16:9 aspect ratio. The 10-bit HDR color processing combined with the 2,500,000 to 1 contrast ratio ensures all colors are vivid and accurate. Thanks to its ultra-short-throw technology, you can place this projector a mere 17.3 inches away from the screen to generate a 100-inch picture, or just 20.2 inches from the screen to enjoy a 120-inch picture. And when you connect a console-based gaming system, you can expect a truly immersive experience with smooth graphics and no lag. While we suggest connecting a soundbar or complete sound system to this or any short-throw projector. Number 5. AAXA P400. The AAXA P400 Plus is very small, but it can generate an impressively large 180-inch picture in 1080. Priced at under $300, this Android-based projector fits in the palm of your hand, so you can easily move it from room to watch TV shows, sports, or movies whenever and wherever it's convenient. Like all ultra-small projectors, this one's brightness is rather low, just 400 ANSI lumens when its boost mode is turned on. So to generate the highest quality and clearest picture, you'll need to use this projector in an extremely dark viewing space. The built-in rechargeable battery offers up to 2 hours of video playback in standard mode. The P400 Plus also has a nice selection of connectivity options. You can stream content directly from the internet via Wi-Fi, connect your mobile device or computer to the projector, or plug in a memory card with TV shows or movies on it. If you're looking for a compact 4.5x4 2.3-inch and affordable short-throw projector that can be used indoors, either using an external power source or its internal battery, the P400 Plus is a versatile option. It can generate a picture between 16 and 180 inches and project onto a white wall or screen. Number 4. Hisense 100 L5H Ultra Short Throw 4K. If you're looking to replace a large big-screen TV, we recommend the Hisense L5H Ultra Short Throw projector. There's a lot to like here, from the laser projection system that uses HDR to display bright and accurate colors, to the above-average 2,700 lumens brightness level. And while you might be thinking the $3,000 price tag is a bit high, consider that the L5H comes with a 100-inch ALR high-gain screen, a necessary component that's not included with most other projectors. This projector and screen combo impressively displays any type of video content, but the integrated filmmaker mode and separate gain mode allow it to optimize its settings automatically when you're viewing specific types of content. If you have the space in your home for a 100-inch screen, the L5A projector won't disappoint. Number 3. BenQ X500i. The BenQ X500i is a wonderfully powerful 4K projector that does well with all types of video content, even if there's some ambient light. What makes this projector stand out for console-based gamers is that you can plug in any current video game system from Nintendo, Microsoft, or Sony, and the X500 automatically optimizes its settings accordingly. There are 3 separate gaming modes, so you can choose the one that's best suited to the game genre you're playing. Regardless of the game, the projector offers a low lag time of just 4.16 milliseconds. BenQ's settings change website maintains a free database of optimal projector settings and profiles for hundreds of popular game titles. We're also fans of the X500i's audio system, which supports both spatial audio and Dolby Atmos. Whether you rely on the projector's internal speakers to connect it to a soundbar or full surround sound system. So whether you're gaming, viewing a Netflix series, watching live sports, or enjoying a movie night, the X500i offers versatility, an impressive LED-based picture, and decent sound. Priced under $1,700, it's also a really good value. Number 2, Samsung 130-inch The Premier LSP9T. If you have a big budget and one ultra-short throw projector that provides a really impressive, highly detailed, bright image, Samsung's higher-end version of the Premier 4K LSP9T is one that can replace your existing TV. It has the performance capabilities to become the main component in a home theater setup. The Premier generates a maximum brightness of 2,200 ANSI lumens, which makes it visible during the day. The projector is powered using the Tizen operating system for smart TV capabilities, so it's able to stream on-demand and live content without requiring additional equipment. The integrated sound system is also impressive, but we still recommend adding a full surround sound system for a truly immersive, cinema-like experience. We really like the sleek design of the Premier. It can be positioned extremely close to a screen for a less conspicuous look, but still produce a picture up to 130 inches. The triple laser projection system works exceptionally well when it comes to color accuracy, contrast, sharpness, and fluidity. Plus, the FileMaker mode that Samsung is known for makes watching movies look exactly how the director intended. Number 1, Awol 4K 3D Triple Laser Projector LTV 3500 Pro. The recently updated Awol LTV 3500 Pro is the perfect, albeit expensive, centerpiece for a home theater setup. With its 3,500 lumens of brightness, it does a nice job of projecting a bright image in a dimly lit or dark room. You can expect a consistently good picture, with highly accurate colors and impressive detail. Whether you're watching upscaled 1080p content, native 4K content, or 3D content, when watching compatible movies, the projector's 24x feature allows you to see the movie the way it was meant to be displayed in theaters. We recommend using this projector with an optional soundbar or full surround sound system since the integrated speakers are good but not fantastic. Connecting a mobile device or computer to the projector is very simple, but if you want the LTV 3500 Pro to have its own smart TV capabilities, you'll need to plug in the supplied Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max or a similar device. To experience the best possible picture quality, we recommend using this projector with one of Awol's own AOR screens sold separately. We really like how the 120 Awol Vision Cinematic Plus Acoustic ALR floor rising screen works with this projector.